Maths is a really difficult subject for me. When it comes to solving question, I get very nervous beforehand.
I think maths is the reason of my self-confidence. Whenever I solve hard problems, it gives me a reason to be confident, and it also teaches me to be resilient and patient.
Nice.
When it comes to maths, I doubt my choices whether I like it or not.
It's a very satisfactory subject. It gives me extreme satisfaction to solve complex sums.
Maths is not my cup of tea.
Maths, the honest answer would be that I don't like maths, but recently I've changed. I can see that it's the best way to express myself. Feeling angry, challenge yourself with some question. Feeling sad, distract yourself with some more. Feeling happy, put that energy into doing more questions. That's how it is for me.
Maths helps me to challenge myself with harder and more difficult questions.
Being a maths educator, I would like to share my observation. Nowadays, in present scenario, when students are doing maths, they are missing out with many concepts. For example, while doing the decimal calculations, repositioning of the decimal is a problem. For example, without converting into the like decimal, they will add or subtract. Not only this, when they are transposing the terms and shifting terms from left hand side to the right hand side, they are missing the concept of plus and minus. And as a result, the answer, the values will become wrong. Maybe this is because of the concept clarity or due to the lack of concentration or some kind of distractions. Even when they are solving the questions, they are not reading the question properly. So first thing, they need to read the question carefully, comprehend the problem, note down what is given and what is to be solved or to show or to prove. Then which topic it is related, what areas to be done here. Then the correct application of the formula. If they apply all these things, the output definitely will be as expected or desired. I would like to conclude here. We need to identify the weak areas. Not only identify the areas and then enhance their skills. So these two areas are like essential blades to make a pair of scissors workable.
Math was always a language for me, a language of logic, rhythm and creativity. It's not about numbers, it's about patterns, clarity and confidence. Somewhere between distractions and digital overload. Our children have begun to lose that connection. We wanted to understand why. Why students even in higher grades struggling? Why even bright students making small mistakes, misplacing decimals or forgetting algebraic identities? Students today live in a world of instant gratification, quick answers, short videos and endless distraction. Their minds are constantly switching between screens and that affects memory retention and depth of focus. But maths doesn't work like that. It needs time, practice and patience. We designed interesting worksheets, colorful, playful and meaningful. Each concept with cheat sheets and help boxes for initial guidance. Slowly we reduce support one step at a time, letting students climb independently. In just 5 continuous days of bridge classes, we saw children transform more confident, more engaged and yes, happily solving problems on paper. For us, that was success. To see those smiles that spark understanding and that moment when a child say, I got it. At JBM, we believe in love for learning because when curiosity meets consistent practice, mathematics becomes not just a subject but a way of thinking.